Hey everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Here we are going to make this basket. So cut two circles from the transparent sheet and paste this fabric and keep it aside. Now we are going to take some wires and then bend it and paste it around the circle. You can use hot glue gun. After this we are going to cover it from the top as well. Now you can use jute rope and start braiding it like we're doing here. Adjust those using fingers and you can also paste them using this hot glue gun. You can increase the size and then we're going to take this thick rope, twist it again and cover it till the top, and look, it's ready. Now you can also add a lace and it's done. After this we're going to make the handle. So take another wire and bend it like we're doing here in this video and combine them together at the center. You can paste it using hot glue gun, cover them as well using this jute rope, and look, your beautiful basket is ready. Today we are going to make a beautiful bag. Let's get started. So you can cut this shape and then paste some wires on the side. Now we are going to cover it from the top. After this you can take some jute rope and start braiding it. After this we are going to hold the wires and make them straight. Now you can use this thick rope and start braiding it till the top. Cut the extra part of the wire and paste this lace. You can also add some beautiful handles and paste it using hot glue gun. Later you can also sew them. Now we are going to paste this beautiful fabric and put this bag at the center. Look, your bag is ready. Here we are going to make this beautiful flower pot. Let's get started. So we are going to recycle these old plastic cups. You can use 2 cups and paste these sticks around it using hot glue gun. After this, take this jute rope and start pasting them around those sticks. You can use hot glue gun. Now bend those sticks and give it this beautiful shape and start braiding it till the top. Now you can adjust those by bending the wires and give it this beautiful shape. We are making the handle as well. Cover them using jute rope, and then we are also making this beautiful lace. Cover it like this and start pasting it, and look, your flower pot is ready. Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. We are going to make a beautiful basket, so let's get started. As you can see, we're going to use these wires, cut the circular base and then start pasting those wires on the side. Cover the base using this jute fabric. Now you can take this thick jute rope and start braiding it. Cut some small wire stick and then paste it. After this, we're going to paste the jute rope at the base. Now we're going to twist these ropes and start braiding it till the top. You can hold it like we're doing here in this video, and as you can see, we're going to leave some very large sticks and hold it like we're doing here in this video. These are for the handles of the basket. As you can see, we're going to change the braiding style. We are going to twist it at the top and then we are going to hold it and twist it and cut the extra part of the wire as well. Now paste some beautiful lace and cover the side of the basket. Now bend those wires and we're going to paste them and cover them as well using this jute rope. Cut the extra part and look, your beautiful little basket is ready. Thank you so much for watching this video.